Hello Honda Visionaries, and welcome to another day in the workshop. Today I have been working on the rear brake. This has come about because I had a puncture in this wheel, well, the tyre, at the weekend. So as I wasn't very impressed with the tyre, I decided it wasn't worth getting the puncture repaired. Gone for a new tyre instead. I think it's a battle axe or something I've had put on. But anyway, I noticed while I was about it that the old shoes looked a little bit thin for my liking. But having said that, and got the new ones here, they're not much more meat on them anyway. However, I'm going to put those on. I'm going to put some copper slip on the bearing surfaces here very judiciously. I've vacuumed out all the dust and crud from the drum. These, when you come to take them off, they just pull off like that. Pull them apart slightly. You need two hands, so I can't video and show you at the same time. But they come off easy enough, and I have actually put these back on, but decided I'd take them off again just to get the copper slip on these surfaces here. Also, just to say, because there had been some adjustment on the old ones to take up this play, I've had to slacken this off. That's a 14mm that needs turning anti-clockwise, but you need an 8mm on the, on that nut there, just to hold it, otherwise the whole lot just turns round and round. So an 8mm there and a 14mm on that end, 14mm socket I used here, and it just twizzled and it's completely slackened off now. So the old shoes go back on easily, not the old shoes, the new shoes, and then I'll get the wheel on. And while I've been about it, I've given the shock absorber there a bit of a clean up with some ACF 50. It was looking a bit grotty, so while the wheel's out of the way, I've cleaned that off. And the other thing to put back after the wheel is the mudguard cover here. You have to slacken that off in order to get the wheel out. Okay, I'll give a final video once I've got things sort of back together. Bye for now.